Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about headphone holder. You can say simply as a bracket. Left side you can see the folded state and the right side it's a flat pattern. See, this is the product. So I am going to create this component. So I am going to show you configurations, flat pattern, and we can create this component with polycarbonate or acrylic sheets. See here, these kind of sheets. So I am going to show you how to apply the material in the configurations. So let's start now. So select the front plane. It is 55 and 60. Thickness I am taking 2 mm and K factor as 0.45. Say OK. Here we can verify the radius. So same radius I am going to take as equivalent to thickness. So select the edge flange. So this is 20. See here. Next, create edge flange at 60 degree. So this is 90. So I am going to create at 60 degrees. And flange length I am going to modify in the sketch. So keep it in isometric. So this is around 60. See here, keep it in right view. See. Select this, keep it in right side. See, this is 90 degrees to this flange. So once again we have to modify to 60. So it is exactly creating it horizontally. So now we have to modify the sketch. So select this edge and this edge. So total length is 72. So this one I am keeping as it is at 90 degrees. So let's go to sketch and modify. See here. See, we have to select always outer edge. You should remember that. So this is 12 mm. Never dimension this sketch directly. Now we have to unfold. Select this face, select all and say OK. And select this sketch, top face, and go to sketch and draw one cutout. See here, to make an arc, just move it downward and just move upward. It automatically creates semicircle. So simply drop it like this and go to trim entities and select these two. See here, select these two and make it collinear. Select this right midpoint and this one, make it horizontal. This is around 70. This is 8. Go to sheet metal, select cut extrude. Here link to thickness, and it should be always normal to cut. See here. Now select this face, go to sheet metal and select the simple hole. Simply say OK. Select the sketch. And its diameter is 4 mm. Select these two and make it vertical constraint. So this is 8. Draw one more circle. Select these two circles, make it equal. This is 10 mm. Make it equal. Select these two once again, make it vertical. So the sketch is constrained. Come out of the sketch. See here. Now select fold and collect all bends. Say OK. See here. Now finally we have to apply break corners, and here we have to select the fillet I am taking 5 mm. Select these edges, sharp edges. And say OK. Now let's go to the flat pattern. See, here we have to unsuppress this feature. See here. Let's see the default and flat pattern. See, this is how it looks like. See, this flat pattern is not visible properly. So what we can do is simply keep like this, like isometric, and go to new view, and we can say ISO MUT isometric, say OK. So it automatically creates. Select the spacebar, we can select this isometric. See here, if you just modify like this and select the isometric, so this is how we create the custom view. So let's go to the material. See, usually we select cold roll steel, or for stainless we select SS304 or 201. So I am going to show you how to apply material for polycarbonate. So I am going to create one more configuration. Simply I will keep it as polycarbonate. Say OK. Now here what we have to do, we have to change the material. So we have to go to edit material. So we have to select plastics. See here. See here, so polycarbonate is not available. See, polycarbonate. So for time being, for transparency, I am keeping ABS PC. So apply. So it's a kind of PC polycarbonate with ABS composition. See here. So we can create these kind of materials with two different materials. Like you see, this is one variant and this is one variant. So this is painted with a stainless steel. See, when I select default, it shows the metallic, and this is PC. So this is brief about headphone holder. Thanks for watching.